Well, hey, hi. Morning. It is morning. It's the beginning of day 20 here on the timber frame. 19 was kind of a push, just kind of hammering through our first day of almost 70 since last October. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it was freaking hot up on the roof as we being me, myself, and I right now. Finished getting the 1x on and got a good start on putting the rest of the roof on. Day 19, explained a little bit. I'll just recap. We did the 1x. We're doing 30-pound felt, and that's mainly to prevent insects coming through the little gaps in between the 1x, and not that there ever would be light. I just want to look up. And I think you can kind of see there's some small teeny little, like the little gap right there. All that you're gonna see is dark, so that's why I put the felt on. Doing the furring strips right now, and then we'll get the OSB, the ice and water, and we'll finish trimming it out. This is day 20. Can't tell you how long this will take. Maybe we'll put the tin in this video, but we'll at least get started with that in this video. So this shouldn't take too long to pop out. Kind of one of those days, gray. Look onto the horizon over there on the other side of the shop. They're talking about rain at noon, so I've got about 3-4 hours to get this all done. And then the other thing is, one of the weather forecasts said it's going to be sunny and 65 this afternoon. So like most things right now, have absolutely no idea what's going to happen till it actually happens. So I know what's going to happen. We're going to get some stuff on the roof. See ya.
Justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light, right here in the moment we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly life. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So hold on and let's save this night. Lovers to fight for the joy of making up. We both escape, trying to feel safe. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly lie. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So darling, hold on and let's save this night. Let's save this night. Let's save this night. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours.
Hey, all right, let's see. Just finished lunch, finished a whole bunch of work in there in the office. That's in there. Rain is holding off. That's a wonderful thing that the rain's going to hold off for a bit. It will show up tonight, tomorrow, maybe the next day, and they're even talking a little bit of snow. Yay! So really gonna push to get the rest of this ice and water on. so we're waterproofed all the way around. 4, count them, 4 pieces of wood left to put on this thing. 2 pieces of trim on each end, up to the peak. We're almost done with the wood. Woo! All right, carry on.
Let's save this night. Let's save this night.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round around the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round around the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night.
All right, well, we're getting close, real close. Got the end down here done. Let's take a look up there. Didn't get fancy with the joint right there, just kind of a butt joint and cut out where the bolt is. When we do the siding, not the siding, steel's gonna come over, and I think we're gonna fold it over 3 inches on that, so some of that's gonna disappear too. But looking pretty sweet underneath. How's this for a rain day? I'll take it. They did get one thing right in the forecast, although it's not doing it at this moment. Windy as snot, so I'm kind of happy that I'm not still trying to dance up there on the top of the roof, or go over the top of the roof. You know what I'm talking about. All right, 2 boards left to go. Here comes that wind. This is the one we've been looking for. The last, very last piece of permanent wood that's getting put on the timber frame. After this, it's all metal.
Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground.
Day 20, we're gonna call it a close. Do a little wrap up here as the wind, I don't know, on the big Scotch pine there, as the clouds drift by and the wind whips and whirls. I am sure glad to be done with getting the roof ready for the steel. So there it is, the last of the pieces of wood, permanent pieces of wood going on. Sorry for the wind. Woo. But there's this side. Pretty doggone exciting. So all that's left is steel roofing and then to move it after I put footings in and make metal brackets and get them galvanized, but you know, that's all that's left. All right, day 20, I don't know what to say. Feels good. Probably kind of like when we finished day 11, when we finished assembling the frame and we kind of wished we had some of our friends here. I just wish there was somebody here. Everybody jokes about, you know, they spent all their life being an introvert getting ready for this. But when you're forced to be by yourself, it's a little different than just wanting to hang out by yourself. Either way, another fist bump to all of you out there for watching, hanging in there. Rain, snow the rest of this week, maybe. Remember, it was supposed to be a rain day just like today, right now. That's it. Thanks so much for watching it. Do appreciate it. Share the video, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps out a lot when you share that video. All right, I'm gonna clean this all up. That's gonna be the outro, and maybe we'll see what happens with the sunset and some clouds. Wouldn't that be fun to watch?